Liquid cooling looks cool, but here's what no one tells you. Liquid coolers can offer better temps under heavy loads and better aesthetics, but they do come at a premium price. They also require a lot more maintenance, and they can fail, leading to some pretty nasty things happening in your case. A high-end air cooler like the Peerless Assassin will be quiet, reliable, and probably only 1 to 3 degrees warmer. At the end of the day, know your PC, know your case, and know your noise tolerance, and that's how you can pick. If you want to see more content just like this, just give me a follow.